This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Genshin Impact not working on mobile or cellular data in iPhone. So if your Genshin Impact not working in mobile data, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Go back from here and tap on mobile data, and here search for Genshin Impact. All you have to need, just enable your mobile data for Genshin Impact by toggle oning the option next to Genshin Impact, and then check the issue. And the second solution is reset mobile data. Tap on mobile data network, reset settings, reset. Once done, check the issue. And the third solution is mobile data, network selection, disable automatic, and select your SIM provider name, and then check the issue. And the next solution is offload the app. Go to General, iPhone storage, search for Genshin Impact game. All you have to need, just offload the app and reinstall the app, and then check the issue. And the last solution is reset network settings. Go to General, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your Genshin Impact not working on mobile data issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.